without warming up. You are, boom, yourself on the foot. Yes, I said it. How would you just start singing like that? If you just start singing like that, you want to start on a note that is very harmful for you. And a lot of you keep asking me, please, ma, I need just a quick 5 minutes vocal warm up that would help me to get started. I don't really have that time, but I want to sing because I know many singers want to just jump into singing. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to give you a 5 minute simple vocal warm up that you can do that will prepare you to sing, and you can just start singing immediately. Are you ready? Let's get started. I'm going to break it down. Let's go. Do. Repeat. Do. Do, mi, sa. Do, mi, sa. Beautiful. Do, mi, sa. Do, mi, sa. Do, mi, sa, mi. Do, mi, sa, mi. Do, mi, sa, mi, do. Do, mi, sa, mi, do. Sol, la. Sol, la. Do, ti. Do, ti. Lay down. Lay down. So I sing, you repeat. Do, 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 mi, do, mi, do, mi, sa, mi, do, mi, sa, mi, do, sol, la, do, sol, la, do, ti, do, ti, lay down, lay down. Let's go together. Do, your tongue. Do, mi, do, mi. Do, mi, sa, mi. Do, mi, sa, mi, do, sol, la. Do, do, ti. Lay down. Beautiful. Now let's do. Do the same thing. Okay, it's funny, right? For you to do this, hold here. These two places, though. And it will come out. Let's go. Your tongue. Your tongue. Again. Your tongue. Your turn. Then beautiful. Now we're going to use vowels. Ah. Open your mouth. Ah. Ah. Beautiful. Ah. Come on. Ah. Brilliant. Now let's add M to it. Ma. Mama. Mama, mama, mama. Mama, 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 mama. Beautiful. Mama. Beautiful. Mama. Mi ma me mu mi. Mi. Mi, 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 mi. Me, 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 me. I'm already feeling so free. How do you feel? So just do this and you're ready to sing. Send this to anybody you know that sings and just sings. They need warm up. Send it to them. It's gonna help them to warm up their voice effectively. So I have another video for you tomorrow. Tomorrow, day 3. So don't miss it. Watch the next video immediately.